Today we'll be speaking on a very important topic: meditation for increasing focus and concentration in your life. In Bhagavad Gita chapter 10, 25th shloka, Krishna is telling, Maharshinam bhriguraham giram asmi ekam aksharam yajnanam japa yajñosmi sthavaram himalayah. Of the great sages, I am Bhrigu. Of vibrations, I am the transcendental Om. Of sacrifices, I am the chanting of the holy names Japa. And of immovable things, I am the Himalayas. In the next 5 minutes, we will be practicing the Omkar Naad Meditation, which Krishna is mentioning in the Bhagavad Gita for increasing focus and concentration in life. So as I guide you in the meditation, please go deep within and experience the magic of Omkar Naad meditation. Slowly, very slowly, close your eyes and sit erect. And take normal breath. No need to do any pranayam or any kind of forceful breathing. And take your consciousness to your ears. Listen very carefully to the different sounds which you are able to hear. Listen to the distant chirping of the birds. Listen to the movement of the traffic. Listen to the subtle sounds of the people nearby. Listen to the dim chatting of the worldly noises. Listen to the ringing of the bell in the near temple. I am just giving you examples, but you listen to what you are actually able to listen. Silence your mind and you will be able to listen to amazing sounds of the environment. Then very slowly, whenever you are comfortable, take your index finger as I am showing you and close your ears very slowly and silently, keeping your eyes open. And listen to the inside sound. Keep your ears closed and listen to the inside sound. Sometimes when we were small, we would take a conch shell or a shankha from the seaside and put it in the ears, touch it to the ears, and we would be able to hear a sound within. And you try to hear the sound after closing the ears. The more the focus, the more the sound will be clear, and it will come by practice, which is called the Omkar Naad, Anahat Naad meditation. You will get a sound like the sound of the crickets, or a humming of the hummingbirds, or the sound of the temple bells, or a sound just like where you are under a high tension wire in the fields, and listen to the sound. It will be something like Many times in our childhood, we could hear this sound. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows. That time we didn't understand what is this sound. Sometimes when this sound increases too much, in the medical profession they call it tinnitus. That could be a vikrit or excessive sound, but the prakrit or the natural sound is the sound of the Omkar Naad. Now slowly remove your fingers from the ears and focus on the sound which you are able to hear within. A sound like the tingling of the ankle bells or a high tension wire or the humming of a cluster of bees. You may feel that it is coming from somewhere, but this is the eternal sound of the universe. One easy way to experience this Omkar Naad meditation is to go to a silent place after sunset where you are able to hear the sound of the crickets, jhingur, and slowly start walking away from that place to a very silent place, and you'll be feeling that it is the sound of the crickets, but actually it is the internal sound of the Omkar Naad. There are higher stages to it in which you are actually able to hear the movement of the sound of the chakras within the body and the saptaswar of the 7 chakras. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. But as of now, I want all of you to start with the simple thing what Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita. Among all the sounds, I am the sound of Omkar. There is an external sound of Omkar, and there is a sound which pervades the entire universe as the Pranava mantra. You may not be able to hear it now, but it is best heard in the Brahma Muhurta, when you get up in silence and you'll be all of a sudden able to hear the sound of Just be with it, absorb yourself, and you will be able to see that you are experiencing that deep silence within, which prepares your consciousness for experiencing the higher taste. Be with it, focus. You can practice this meditation anywhere and everywhere. Initially, do it in an isolated place where there is silence, but later you can do it with open eyes in your office also. What are the benefits? In 1 minute, your focus, concentration will increase. Lust, anger, pride, envy, illusion will start reducing immediately. There will not be any lamentation of the past or hankering for the future. You are in the present moment, hearing the divine sound of the Omkar Naad, and this prepares yourself in your me time to connect with yourself and experience the blissfulness of the soul within. Keep doing it. Share your experience in the comment box, and you will see that you are getting amazing realizations on the same. Thank you very much. Once you have experienced it, open your eyes very slowly whenever you feel like, with absolute comfort and ease, and come back to your external consciousness. Thank you very much for practicing this Omkar Naad meditation. This is Dr. Saurabh Chaudhuri, your ancient Indian Vedic ambassador.